This is the belt drive calculator for length, speed, and power. It calculates essential parameters for belt drive system design. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your units from the dropdown. You can choose Imperial with inches, RPM, and HP, or metric with mm, RPM, and kW. For this demo, I'm using Imperial. Enter the drive pulley diameter D, the driven pulley diameter D, and the center distance C between the pulleys. Then input your drive speed in RPM and the power you need to transmit. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 inches for both the drive pulley diameter and driven pulley diameter, 10 inches for center distance, 10 RPM for drive speed, and 10 horsepower for power. After clicking Calculate Belt Drive Parameters, we get 4 results. The belt length is 51.42 inches. That's the total belt length you'll need. The speed ratio is 1000, confirming our pulleys are the same size. Belt tension shows 304.3 pounds force. This extreme value suggests reviewing your inputs. The driven speed is 10.0 RPM, matching our drive speed since the pulleys are equal. This calculator streamlines belt drive design calculations. Find the link in the description below.